Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be comparing two popular e-commerce platforms Shopify and Wix. After conducting an extensive research and testing both platforms, I ultimately chose Shopify for my e-commerce businesses in this video. I will share the reasons behind my decision and the key factors that you should consider when making your choice. Please note this video is not sponsored by either company. I am simply sharing my personal opinions and experiences. However, you are interested in trying Shopify, I have included a link in the description offering a deal of $1 per month for the first 3 months, which is not available directly on their website. Let's dive in. The main difference between Shopify and Wix lies in their origins. Shopify and was designed specifically for e-commerce, whereas Wix started to as a content-based website builder. E-commerce feature Shopify as an excellent opinion. Your beginners for those looking to scale. Thanks to its extensive range of their 6,000 app integration that work seamlessly with more than 100 themes and template designs, your store in is straightforward with Shopify intuitive drag and drop store builder. Additionally, all plans include on 24/7 customer support, making the setup process as smooth as possible. Wix, on the other hand, free other plans across all categories: website, businesses, e-commerce, and enterprises. If you are running as an online store, you will need to choose from the businesses and e-commerce plans of enable online payment. Wix allows up to 15,000 products, more than up to sufficient for most businesses, but lacks unlimited products options. Wix provides over 800 templates, a drag and drop and editor, and a customer domain name of free 1 year. However, editing Wix templates can make website less optimized of a smartphone, meaning you will need a separate mobile site. Shopify, in contract, automatically optimize its templates for more busy devices and creates a direct link of to more pages, making it more SEO friendly. Shopify also supports host SEO integration for advanced insights, while Wix offers SEO tools like SEO Wix as an SEO dashboard and integration with Smart for keyword research. When it comes to transaction fees and payment gateways, Shopify offers Shopify payments and Wix offer Wix payments. Using these built-in gateways avoids transaction fees, but third-party gateways on Shopify can incur up to 5% fees depending on your plan. Wix allows third-party payments, but only in USDT and lacks multi-currencies checkout options. Whatever Shopify for multiple currency checkout via its Shopify Market app. Tax calculation is another critical aspect. Shopify automatically calculates taxes or user across all plans, while Wix offers automatic tax calculation through on a third-party app called Vela. This feature is limited to certain plans with caps on the number of calculations per month. Shopify also offers a physically points of scale of US system of all plans. Expect the starters plan, enabling real-time inventory updates through cards readers connected to mobile devices. Wix post feature introduction recently is only available to select user in the US and Canada. Pricing in another key consideration. Wix offers a free plan, but its functionality is limited for e-commerce purpose. Shopify does not have a free plan but offers a 3-day free trial and a discounted introductory package for $3 for 90 days. Once the trial ends, Shopify main plans include the basic plan and $19 per month, the standard plan at $49 a month, and the advanced plan at $299 a month. You can switch between plans as your business grows, and reviews at 5% discount for annual payments. That's a wrap of today's video. If you found this information useful, please like the video and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And remember, if you decide to try Shopify, use the link in the description for an exclusive $1 month deal for 90 days. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.